notes for this week will be F, G, and A. F looks like a C, but right next to three black keys. Three black keys, and right here is F. Now we are going to practice inchworm jumping. F. Jump up. Try with left hand. F. We're going to try on G. Right next to F is G. It's alphabetical order. Yeah, G. Three black keys, and right here. Left hand. G. Think about this is G. Remember three black keys, and right here. Right next to G is going to be A. So that cuts off the alphabetical sequence. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And go back to A right here. Three black keys, and then it in the middle. That's a cut off for the alphabetical order. In this picture, it's not really written right here, but on the keyboard, this is a cut off. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and a cut off. And then go back to A. B, C, D, E. So it's alphabetical order, but right here in the middle, the cut off occurs. So we're gonna practice inchworm jumping on A. A. Think about this is A. 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 Left hand. A. A again.